Back in the day, we used to get a chainsaw and go way in the back of the swamp, way back, where we knew they had a big gator at. We'd take that chainsaw and crank it up and yin, 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 we'd just run it, real loud as it could be, then we'd kill it. And we'd wait a minute, and you'd hear one of them big gators holler. Then we'd get closer to him and closer to him until we'd take him out. And that's how we used to hunt them big boys. Y'all done heard of buffalo wings. We're gonna step it up a notch. We in Louisiana. We do gators here. We're gonna do gator wings, buffalo gator wings. And this is actually gators right here. And we usually get our own, but we didn't have time. So we went to the store and bought some. Let me look behind me. No, nothing. I think I might make it close my eyes. This is my favorite seafood place. We're fixing to go get some gator wings, y'all. They're gonna be good and crispy. Can't wait to eat them. I didn't know you could eat these. Well, I'll try them. That stuff. I can't get this all. First thing we're going to do though, we're going to mix up a little sauce to go with it. I like to take my sauce, get you a stick of butter. Okay. Going to get us a little sugar right here. Brown sugar. Simple. Okay, a Bayou blend Cajun sauce. That's what I'm gonna call it. Just gonna put a little pepper in it. Then we're gonna add, look at this, crystal hot sauce with garlic. This is a garlic blend. Get the garlic blend, it's the best. Put the cap on it. You can always add more. Speaking of more, let's add a little more of this. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I'm not gonna stir it now. I'm just gonna take it. I have my 17-inch Adventure ready with the side burner going. So we're just gonna set this up here and it's gonna be cooking, slowly cooking. When it all melts, you stir it up and I'll show you what to do with the rest of it in a minute. All right, we're through with that step of the process. Now we're gonna get some flour. We like them spicy in Louisiana. So we're gonna throw some flour in here. And watch this. Ooh-wee. I'm putting lots of seasoning in here, y'all. Lots. Not just a little bit, lots. See? Lots. Because you want that pepper to just mix in like that. And watch this. You want to see the red in there. Mix it in real good. We done that. Hey, what the heck? Put a little more. All right, y'all, we got that happening. Now, we need to get us some wings. I'll handy dandy Blackstone knife here. Cut these wings out of here. Ooh-wee. Actually, this comes from the front leg of the gator. Just the same as the chicken, the front leg. But this is the little gator. Look at there. We're gonna lay these out on this table and we're gonna cut them. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to get a bigger Blackstone knife for that. They have a joint right here. See, it's just like a wing. But I like to separate them. I mean, this is the same process as you would do chicken wings. And just like a chicken wing, you know how you got the little drumette or drumstick or however you want to say it. One part of it's thinner and the other part's thicker. So I like to separate them. BE Calls, y'all didn't know BE Calls had 3 silver, 4 silver because it's just gooder that way. All right, y'all, we about got this. But if you've never had Gator before, this is just something good to try. I mean, we do Gator wings several different ways out here. I like to put them in the crock pot and just dump barbecue sauce on them. I mean, they're super good like that. You can barbecue them. Do all kind of stuff with just Gator wings. Okay, y'all, these have kind of been pre-seasoned too, so they're gonna be extra good. Let me check my temp on this oil. Y'all come on over here. We're gonna drop this in here just like that. Give it a little shake. Oh, 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 oh. This is just going to the bread, and once you get the bread on there, it puts a little coating on it like fried chicken, okay? Which sucks up the sauce a lot better, I think. That's the reason I like to do it. But everybody to their own. You don't even have to do this. You can just put them in there and fry them straight like that. But that ain't what we're doing today. So y'all come over here and watch this. Look at this, y'all. Oh boy. It's starting to come around. Mixy, mixy, mixy. I'm gonna cut this butter up a little bit so it'll be. All right, y'all, we got our canola all heating up. Sorry, I spilled a little sauce on my thumb. Y'all know we don't like to waste nothing. We're looking for a temperature around 340 to 350. And I think we're just there. All right. Here we go, y'all. This is gonna be super duper good. We'll start dropping them in here and let them sizzle. We're gonna fry them up and get them good and crispy. And once you get them good and crispy and dip them in your sauce, they are just super good. I usually don't time nothing. I just look at it and go by color. Once it hits a certain color, I can pull them out and they'll be ready to go. And you can cook them like this without the flour. It's just as good, but I like a little flour on mine. Just bumps it up a little different. About halfway through, I like to kind of flip them over a little bit. They're starting to float pretty good. Just to make sure that the top coating gets done. It's looking pretty good, I think. We're gonna let this go a few more minutes and she will be ready. All right, y'all, it's been about 8 to 10 minutes here. Let's see if we can pull these wings out. All right. Oh, y'all. Y'all just don't realize how good this is gonna be. Woo. If you notice, they do look a lot like chicken wings. Good. Good. Oh, ain't that beautiful? Look how pretty that is. But we're not through yet. We're gonna take this sauce, and it's hot. Watch this, y'all. Just drizzle it over the top of there. And that's how you do that. All right, I can't wait to try this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's the sauce. When you dip it in the flour, what it does, it gives the sauce a little something extra to hang on to. And this is just super good. Now, if you don't like Gator or you can't find Gator where you live, you can use regular chicken wings. Y'all, this is just, I pat my own self on the back with this one. It is good. Oh, I think social media is pretty good, but it's good and it's bad. And it's happy and it's sad. You know, for instance, one time me and my wife was out here kayaking in this same area right here, matter of fact. And we're a little further down, we was kayaking. But we pulled back to our boats, we jump in our boat and we cook hot dogs and chili. Okay, and then I get to telling the people, you know, years ago, me and my wife didn't have the money to go out and do this and that, but we could buy a pack of hot dogs, a pack of chili, and get out here on the bayou or just walk down the trail and cook hot dogs. And, you know, you heat them up and put them in the thermos, put your chili in the thermos. When you get where you're going, you pull a hot dog out, dump your chili on the bun, and you got a meal. It's not the meal. It's that we got out the house and went and did this, went and did that. And I was telling my people, my fans, That's what needs to happen. People need to get off the couch, get out the house. And the next week, I had a lot of my fans call me. I'm talking about fans on oxygen and this and that, in bad shape. They actually went and bought hot dogs and went to the park and ate them. And hey, I think that's pretty cool. I would say the moral of the story is get off the couch, get out and eat a hot dog. Hey, get out. Life's too short. Get out and do stuff. Hey, next time on Bayou, I want to show you how to cook Oreo cookies, fried Oreo cookies, and funnel cakes. Y'all, it just don't get no better than that.